Hi, for Uber?
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. Oh my gosh.
What?
Wait.
What?
Are you in Love Island?
Oh, yeah, I was.
Are you serious? I literally
Yeah.
was just watching Love Island like earlier today.
Yeah.
While I was making my breakfast.
Yeah.
I've got a text.
I got a text.
I got it. Wait, you gotta tell me everything. Okay, so
What do you want to know?
just what is it like?
It was awesome.
Well, because the season's not over yet, so I mean, you
I
can you
can't
tell?
tell anything. No, sorry.
My God! Wait,
You know,
you're like
NDAs.
you're literally my favorite character or person. I'm so nervous. I can barely talk.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Like, I'm starstruck.
No, it's all good.
So okay. So what is it like? Like, you just.
I mean, you just suntan and like drink, and I don't know. It's great.
Wait. So but you and Jason though, like, what ended up happening?
Lips are sealed.
That's
Can't tell
crazy.
you.
So that was like the first season where like there was like girl like two girls ended up getting together, right?
Oh, I mean, maybe.
Like, you can't say. I know you can't say, but I could
Maybe.
tell. Oh my gosh. Wait,
Have
so
to see where it goes.
so what are you doing in town here? Are you literally from Nebraska?
I'm just visiting.
Oh dang, that's
Yeah.
crazy. I never thought I'd like be in Nebraska, like, you know, any famous people coming to town.
Yeah, just visiting.
Yeah. So
Going to my friend's
well, how
pool
long are you in
party.
town for?
Just like a couple weeks.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
I live here. I will be here for a couple weeks. We should
Oh,
hang out.
Oh, nice. Okay, yeah.
Are you down?
I mean,
There's like a really
maybe.
nice, like, there's an Applebee's around the corner. They have the best what's it called? Mac and cheese.
Applebee's.
Are you down?
I mean, maybe. Is there anywhere else?
There's let me see. There's Applebee's. There's also
Is there like a
Chili's. There's a Chili's.
Is there Nobu?
No.
That's
There's a Denny's though, and it has a pretty nice chicken club.
Oh.
So yeah, are you down? You want to hang out? I mean, I do live with my mom, so like, I mean, she's honestly kind of a pain in the neck
mean,
sometimes. But like, I mean, I
don't know. My schedule's kind of booked this time.
Are you rejecting me? I feel like I'm on Love Island right now. Like, you reject everybody. Why would I think that you would want to go out with me? I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
You know what it's like when you meet your celebrity crush in real life, and then, you know, it ends up being way worse. Because in my head I was like, oh, me, and then, you know, maybe we could start dating, and then maybe, like, you know, I could do the proposal thing, whatever. Like, I mean, obviously I can't afford a ring, but I could give you like a fake ring.
Whoa, this is escalating so fast.
What are you talking about?
We just met.
I'm saying in my head. That's what I thought. Are you serious?
I think I should get a new Uber.
What? You're gonna cancel the ride?
Yeah.
Why did you cancel the ride?
I just don't think this is gonna work out.
You literally, you know what?
I'm so sorry. It's me. It's not you.
What?
It's me. It's not you.
Are you sure? So it's not me. You're promising like I'm fine. Like
it's yeah. Just
so. Why did you end the ride though?
Just move on and move past this, and yeah, you're great. You're great, and maybe we'll cross paths again one day.
Okay, so you really want me to let you out here?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. I guess it just wasn't meant to be.
So sorry. Good luck.
All right, get out. I'm over you.
Good luck.
Bye. I'm never watching your show ever again.